Pretty awesome results. In this video, we are going to put a couple of brand new bits that are coming soon to the test and see how they do. Okay, I have to admit I am super excited about this video because these two bits I'm going to be testing are actually a couple of bits that I've really been bugging Cody about for some time now. He surprised me the other day with a package in the mail and a short little video, and he actually had produced two bits that I've been looking for. The 3/8 compression bit and the 1/2 inch compression bit. Super excited to test these out. Already run a couple of tests here on some melamine. At the time of this video, our plan is to launch them when I drop this video. So if you're seeing this video, you can go to Cody's website, jennybits.com, and I'll leave a link in the description to everything. And you can go ahead and pre-order these bits. I expect this 3/8 bit to probably sell quick, and judging from how these performed, man, these are awesome. Go check the link in the description, go over to Cody's site and pre-order these bits now. Let's get started. As you can see here, this 1/2 inch bit just rips through this maple. Now I'm doing this at a 0.375 depth of cut, and the surface on the edges is completely smooth, and the 3/8 performed just as well. Okay, in this speed test, I've just simply got a piece of melamine here, and I am going to run each of the bits on 3 separate tool paths. The first tool path is going to be at 200 inches per minute. The second tool path will be 400 inches per minute, and the third tool path will be 600 inches per minute. All tool paths will be full depth of cut, and this melamine is 0.76 inches thick. I will put the chip loads up on the screen at the beginning of each of the tool paths so you can see what the chip loads are if you're interested in that. Here we go. All right, let's do the second one. That was pretty awesome. Went through it just like it was butter. All right, I'm gonna bring it back. I'm going to do a quick tool change, and we're gonna put in the 1/2 inch bit. Okay, we have got the tool changed. We have got the 0 reset. We're gonna run the same tool paths with the 1/2 inch Jenny compression bit. 200, 400, and 600 inches a minute, full depth of cut. There you have it. Pretty awesome results. You can see here, there's the 3/8, The inside's actually very smooth, even as fast as we were going, 600 inches per minute. Left a pretty smooth as you can get on melamine anyway. No tear out. And there's the 1/2 inch. Pretty impressive. Okay, that was so much fun to do. I am super excited that Cody has came out with these bits. So look in the description, go to the link. If you want to pre-order these bits, you can do so now. They're going to come out at a discounted rate for a couple of weeks just for the pre-order time. And you can also use my code on top of that to get an additional discount off of the already discounted release price. So super excited. If you've got any questions, leave them below, and I hope to see you soon. Take care.